I'm very itchy right now, so I'm gonna go back to my bike. I remember you. There's my bike. Ready, guys? I'm gonna go. Ready? Okay. 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 And I was just right over there. Yeah, guys. I'm a little weird, but hey, it's okay. Plug a little shamanistic, but he chill. Okay. I'm itchy. I'm itchy and it burns. You know what I say to that? I love the burn. I love the burn. Itch more, itch more. I'm not even kidding, guys. What is it? Poison ivy? What is it? Bugs? It doesn't matter. I'll become immune to it. I'll become immune. You know I will, universe.